Hello students, now let's move to in the previous topic we have learned about the hotness and the coldness of a particular thing, in which we have learned the temperature of a particular thing, whether the temperature of a particular thing is hot or cold. We have learned in the last video. Now in this video we are going to learn about how to measure the temperature, or with the help of which we are measuring the temperature. So that is known as our thermometer. With the help of thermometer we are able to measure the temperature of the body, or with the help or measure the temperature of any object. The thermometer that measures our body temperature is called a clinical thermometer. In the hospital or in our house also, one thermometer is available which help us to measure the temperature of our body, is known as clinical thermometer. Now here are some points are there through which we are going to know about the clinical thermometer. First one is, it is made up of a glass tube. The thermometer which is present in our house, which is available in our house, is made up of a glass tube. It is in the shape, it is made up of the glass. It contains a which is made up of heavy glass. Second, it contains a bulb at one end and is filled with mercury. The thermometer is contain a bulb at one end. It is a bulb, not the bulb which we are using in our daily life, in our home, in our house. That is a small bulb. See, in the diagram it is clearly given here. At the top one bulb is there which is filled with the mercury. Mercury is a liquid substance which is present in that bulb, which help us to know the temperature of our body. Mercury level rises up in the thread-like portion that indicates the temperature of the body. When we use that thermometer to know the temperature of our body, then the mercury which is present in the bulb, it rises up and down according to our body temperature. Here is a thread like structure is there in the middle of the thermometer. When our body temperature is more, then the mercury present in the bulb rises up, and when our body temperature is normal, then it rises at the downside. Now the level of mercury can be measured by reading the scale. In the side of that thermometer, measurement is there. That means 0, 1, 2, 3 or something like that measure is there, with the help of which, when the mercury level rises up, then we are able to know the exact measure through that scale. Then it records the temperature in degrees Celsius. The clinical thermometer helps in recording the temperature in degrees Celsius. In the next video we are going to learn about the degrees Celsius, or how to use that thermometer. Range of human body temperature is 35 degrees Celsius to 45 degrees Celsius. The temperature of a normal human being's body is between 35 degrees Celsius to 45 degrees Celsius. When anybody is having fever or anybody is suffering from fever, then we are not saying that the temperature of the body is 35 degrees Celsius, 35 or 45 or 36, not like that. We are saying that he or she is having 104 fever, 101 fever, 99 degree fever, but we are measuring that temperature in degree Fahrenheit. In this clinical thermometer, we are measuring the temperature in degrees Celsius, but when we are measuring the exact body temperature, we are converting that degrees Celsius measurement in the degree Fahrenheit. On an average, the temperature of body is around 37 degrees Celsius, and the average body temperature of a particular human being is 37 degrees Celsius. And if we are talking about degree Fahrenheit, then the average temperature of a body is 99.6 degree Fahrenheit. So If we want to know the exact body temperature of a human body, so we are using that clinical thermometer.